before we start our part of the show, we just want to say, before I do go on, that we thank you for taking the time to come out and support us. If there is such a thing as feeling an energy, we definitely feel it tonight, and your guys' energy towards the performers up here is definitely well appreciated. I know I speak for everybody else and for myself. Just a real quick thing, we've been very, very blessed. Our team has been asked to perform quite a bit the past year. So all we're going to do for our part of the show is we hope we provide something that you'll enjoy. I don't talk at all during the show. Like JoJo, we just turn the music on and we just go from beginning to end. And then when I finish, I'd like to bring all the guys up one last time so you can see them and just give them credit for everything they did tonight. So, like I said, we're not as cute as everybody else that came up, but we do karate okay, I guess. So we can give it our best shot. So sit back and enjoy the ride. We're going to try to take you on. a slow motion thing, huh? Amen. You think, look at her, stupid. So, anyways, like I said, God has really blessed us. And that's the show we got to perform about 5 times during next month. So we hope you enjoyed it a little bit. I want to bring up the other performers because they definitely deserve our credit and our applause. Let me start off with Mr. Irving Hoffman and his group. Irving, did you run too? Yeah, cool. And can I bring up Mr. Joe Caprini? And I can't say your name. Rocio. Rocio. Joshua right there, I know him. He's my good buddy too, and that's Tanya over there on the other side. I don't bring you all up here because I want you to take a bow, so there'll be a lot of you up here, but I want you up here. Let me bring up Master Jojo Alweg and his group. Maybe we get the kids to sit right here in the front. You guys go. You guys sit right up in the front. Like I said, there's still some food left if you want to get after the show. Chinese Temple Federation, guys, don't forget you got to clean up the building afterwards, okay?